Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Do you remember a couple of days ago I went out and repaired a Ferroli boiler, had a faulty gas valve on it? Guess what? They phoned me back today and they go, it's gone again. Surprise! Don't know what the hell happened to that. So I'm going back to it now. I'm going to check it out. We're going to diagnose it and hopefully, fingers crossed, another gas valve gone again. But we've got to go back and we've got to sort it out. This is part of being a service engineer, guys. You have to go back. If you don't go back, your business goes down. So I'm going back to face the music. Right guys, we're back to this one. So let's first of all switch it on and see what happens, and then we reset it. Now, sadly, at this moment, I feel like the new gas valve is faulty. I'm taking the cover off. Right, I'm taking the cover off. I'm going to reset here. Turned into a goddamn nightmare, man. New gas valve faulty, but look, I contacted the people I bought it from on eBay. They said they're gonna replace it, but this don't look good, guys. Pissing me off, man. Time waste. So we've got enough pressure in there anyway. Enough pressure in there. The van's working, air pressure switch is working. Well, we know it's working because it's bulking. So guys, we've got the valve bubbles. Let's put this away. Okay, and this, I'm going to reset it for me, okay guys? I don't think I need that. I should take that off. So what we got on this right, let's do that. This goes into reset mode. Can you see reset? So we're going to do reset it, and it's not coming on. Now remember, I changed the gas valve. Right. I've got a new gas valve in, okay? Not coming on. But if the reset lights come on, but you know the minimum P5 minimum, if I just turn that to maximum, excuse me, so turn it to maximum. It's pointing at 1 o'clock now. P4. Right now I'm going to now let's turn the light off and let's reset it again and watch what happens now. Okay, it's fired on there, yeah? So I don't think there's a gas valve issue. We've eliminated that, but the problem is the burner pressure on that is really high on central heating. So it's overheats and it's going to go out. So the conclusion on this one is, unfortunately, we've changed the gas valve, but there's a board issues on this as well. Now what we do? What do we do now? Well, I'm going to have to phone the customer and let him know. And it's up to him what he wants to do now. Right guys, last time the guy was saying it's a different boiler. Look man, it's the same boiler, guys. Look at that, look, you've probably seen the burn marks. Remember the burn marks? Right guys, I'm back to this one, and I've had to do a reconditioned board on this. Unfortunately, budget's a bit tight on this one, so let's sort it out. So that one there, that one there, that one there, this one. I'm hoping I'll get it out without opening it. I don't think I will. I have to open it. And the recon is going in. Fingers crossed. Right guys, it's working fine now. Now I'm just going to do all my checks on it and then I'll be out of here. So guys, look, it's all working. Yeah, it's all working. Hot water. Whoa, we got hot water as well. So we got it going. Not really. I bought the reconditioned board. Unfortunately, that didn't work either. So I put back to the board, and look at that. It's screwed again. So it's, look at that. So it's not working. It's working at very high pressure. It's gonna get hot. The water is very hot, but it's gonna go out. It's gonna lock out. Look at that. It's locking out. So I can't adjust the pressure on that, and it just works like that. Unfortunately, the board was faulty and I can't get a reconditioned one. Might have to go for a brand new one, but is it really worth investing in this old boiler for a new board? So that's up to the customer. I did my best. Total waste of time today. I don't think I'm gonna get paid either. So it's all still working, but it's working at high pressure. Unfortunately, it's not good. It's up to the customer now. I think they might have to go for a new board. I tried a recon, tried to save them some money, but because it's no boiler, nobody wants to invest in a new board on this. Well, you never know, if they want to, they can. But for me, it's been a total waste of time today. I spent about good an hour, 2 hours on it, going out, getting the board. So these are the kind of jobs you probably don't get paid on, but this is what life is. It's like 1 in a 50 job you get like that. We can still get it going. I know the board is faulty, but it's gonna be paid on it. Somebody's gonna pay for it.